lamsago takok tai bokusona ani YouTube channel lo sungtini nailaibnai koyekta job notification nataiwi he adi chung notification ni bisingo nailaisiwano he puilao chung nailainai aro tango work in interview kaisa school wo yoga teacher hai kheba sport teacher tilangjaknai aboni bagai date of interview rojakha 14 tarik September 2024 timing rojakha 11 phumni 11 tei place to PM Sri Mandai Bazar English medium bo klainai nei sajakha nge aboni bagai toma qualification nangno abono chung saiman lainai adi aro jaga rojak tongo qualification aro nangnai candidate must be Tripura ni borok no nangnai tei age limit tongo nangnai 18 bosor থেকে 40 bosor jora tei tongo logeo ST SC ni bagai 5 bosor relaxation age angke aro minimum 12 pass wngka nangnai tei certificate tongo nangnai yoga no teiwi district level state level national level ni certificate nangnai hinui sajakha angke amo temporary basics samungkha ikha mannai samungkha yakhe salary manya abo haino temporary job abo minimum honorarium rojaknai maseo 30 ta class joratei khaiwi mannai hinui sajakha proti class o 200 taka khaiwi rojaknai angke phaidi boni logeo tei bo nailainai aro tongphio haino kaisa degree college o guest lecturer hai kheba visiting lecturer trangjaknai aro tongo government degree college Kanchanpur North Tripura o guest lecturer teacher tilangjaknai aro tamo subject teacher tilangjaknai himani aro mention khaijak tongo Bengali history political science education English kokborok tei philosophy physical education hai kheba foundation of yoga tei meditation mushroom biology tei production vermiculture abo hairok DTP abo hairok office production tei practice abo hairok subject teacher tilangjaknai hinui sajakha aboni bagui qualification nangnai master degree khaithanio MA khaithanio 55 marks tongo nangnai hinui sajakha tei aro rojakha 500 taka khaiwi per class o rojaknai angkhe maseo 20,000 jora tei income khaiwi manai honorarium manui manai 20,000 ni besi manya angkhe 40 ta class hairok maseo khaiwi manai hinui sajakha angkhe aro teibo mention khaijakha chini ST SC abo hairok ni bagui PWD rok ni bagui 5% mark relaxation manai hinui sajakha mane 55 bo 50 mark wngkha hingkheno apply khaiwi manai hinui sajakha interview date rojakha aro interview date rojakha 13 tarik September 2024 11 ta phumni 11 ta time o interview najaknai government degree college Kanchanpur North Tripura o jara eligible tongnai rok 13 tarik o interview roi mannai yongni document original tei xerox copy tilangui mathangnai hinui sajakha phaidi boni yagalo tei nailainai aro tongphio haino hai abo bo haino government degree college ni no aro tongo work interview kaisa guest lecturer visiting lecturer tilangjak phionai abo kheno bo jaga o klai abo wngkha government degree college Panisagar North Tripura o klainai hinui sajakha aro mention khaijak tongo subject teacher tilangjaknai guest lecturer Bengali English Sanskrit history education political science sociology abo hairo teacher langjakna hinui sajakha aboni bagui interview date rojakha 23 September 2024 o Government Degree College Panisagar North Tripura o phumni 11 time o interview marai hinui sajakha loge onirokni document original tei xerox copy tilangui interview roinai hinui sajakha khe aboni bagui bahaino education qualification rojakha MA khaithani o nirokni 55 marks tongma nangnai haye kheba ST SC rok wngkha khe 50% hingkhana apply khai mannai tei aro priority rojaknai jara net SLAT tei PhD degree hold khaijak rok hingkhana priority rojakna hinui sajakha omo bahaino same 500 taka per class hinui sajakha tei maximum 20,000 jora tei per month no khai mannai hingkhe aboni timing rojak tongo 30 November jora tei job langjaknai hinui sajakha 3 mas ni bagui guest lecturer Government Degree College Panisagar ni wngui saklaijakha boni bisingo chung teibo nailaimanai oro tongphio project coordinator tilangjaknai kaisa NGO ni o Gold NGO required one project coordinator khoroksa tilangjaknai coordinator kaisa project ATHCC Jiraniani paisingtui Agartala contractual basis khai tilangjaknai qualification nangnai aboni bagui post graduate in social work ni social work na twiwi post graduate khaijakna nangnai kheba sociology tei psychology rogo twiwi post graduate khaijakna nangnai aboni bagui salary rojaknai 22,000 per month boni bagui nirok apply khai mannai Gold NGO office @gmail.com hai kheba contact number rojak tongo 9864071827 o number ni rok contact khaiwi jogajog khainai mannai khe faide boni yagulo chung nailaifinai oro tongo kaisa notification obo haino kaisa Matabari Mahila Cluster Level Bahubagi Samavia Samiti ni wngui langjaknai Fulkumari Gram Panchayat Matabari RD Block ni paisingtui notification lamukha Udaipur Gumati District o khlaio hingkhe aboni bagui recruitment khaijaknai oro rojakha post vacancies accountant khoroksa tilangjaknai chwlaburui apply khai mannai non of post ekjon khoroksa tilangjaknai hingkhe puilao 7,000 khai per month rojaknai hinui sajakha aboni bagui education qualification nangnai BCom haikhe MCom khaijak haikhe BBA tei logeo computer knowledge tongma nangnai hinui sajakha tei experience nangnai 0 থেকে 3 years jora tei working experience tongma nangnai jekno institution haikhe organization o posting wngkha oro Matabari Mahila Cluster o nuklainai hinui sajakha tei probation period rojakha 6 month jora tei naijaknai nirok ni samung no 6 month ni bisingo kaham samung khai hingkhana nirok contractual basis khaiwi tilangjaknai hinui sajakha aboni bagui oro criteria rojak pikha obo wngkha purely 1 year ni contract basis hinui sajakha tei no TADA ni bagui kono allowance kwrwi hinui sajakha tei computer knowledge tongma nangnai aro apply khaina hingkhe tei aboni bagui last date submission date rojakha 20 September 2024 20 tarik September jora tei nirok apply khai manna hinui sajakha hingkhe tei aro timing rojakha 11ta থেকে 4ta jora tei jekono office working day tongmani o nirok apply ma khainai tei application jara apply khainai borokni valid driving license tongma nangnai tei two wheelers tongkha hingke chapung nai hinui sajaka hingke aboni bagoi age limit rojaka 20 years থেকে maximum 40 years jaratui apply khai mannai hingke aboni bagoi aro contact number rojak tongo jara apply khainai hingke aro details sai manna bagoi 8794360487 o number rok call khainai details sai mannai hingke tini bagoi asongnai video no chajak hingke like khai de share khai de tei bo kotal kotal job notification manani bagoi hingke ani o channel no subscribe khai de jotono hambai।